Hello everyone, how's it going? So for today's video ay mag-alcohol muna tayo. Yan, para malinis-linis tayo. Am I ready? So, papalit na talaga tayo. Ay!
Ipinatawag ko kayong lahat upang makinig sa akin. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa mga succulents.
What's up guys? So how's it going? So for today's episode, we will talk about succulents. About succulents. May I ask you, upuan ka ba? Bakit? Wala lang, chair ko lang. Seriously speaking, so for today's episode, we will talk about the best succulents for beginners, for busy persons, and we will talk about why is this the best succulent. So first off, plant check. I will talk about my best 3 succulents for beginners and for busy persons. So if you are a beginner like me who has been wanting to plant some succulents or wanting to plant some cacti, however, they do not know how to start, when to start, then this is the right video for you. And if you're an advanced person, so first plant is the banana beans. What I like about banana beans is how they propagate. As a beginner, we want our plant to grow and produce babies, and with these plants, the leaves pulled off from the stem grew even without us intentionally growing it. Also, I like how the color of this plant varies. The next plant is the zebra plant. The second best plant is the zebra plant. Really, this is low maintenance. They can handle low amount of water and low amount of light, which are 2 of the most critical factors why we fail on growing succulents. I know there are a lot of videos talking about succulents, best succulents for beginners, about best succulents for busy persons. However, I am seeing those videos as taken in the highland areas or in the America. We have different climates as compared to our climate here in the Philippines, which is mostly humid, more heat, mainit, and succulents are prone to being sunburned. So I have chosen this plant because it's really low maintenance. Number 1, the plant is not sensitive to the size of your pot. So for example, you are getting a large pot and then you're putting the Laxiflora there, tapos maliit lang siya. And then there are other sensitive plants na pag nilagay mo doon, mamamatay siya, ikinaya ng plant yung pag-stabilize dun sa malaking pot na yun. However, for this Laxiflora, kahit ganun kalaki yung pot, tapos nilagay mo lang siya, it's really significantly low maintenance for me, lalo na kasi you don't have to deal with much time thinking about the size of the pot. Number 2, with regards to the soil mix, it's really not sensitive kasi pag si Laxiflora, per my experience, nilagay ko lang siya dun sa may pot na kung saan loam soil lang siya, and they're really growing. Like you can puputulin mo lang siya, tusok-tusok kahit sa loam soil lang, tutubo siya. So I think it's really not sensitive to the soil mix. Number 3, so for this plant, which is the Laxiflora, sabi ko nga kanina, ipuputulin mo lang siya, tapos you get the cuttings, then itutusok-tusok mo lang siya, and then it can grow roots from that. So the number 3 reason why this plant is the best succulent for me is regarding the propagation. It can propagate the easiest way you can think of. So just cut, because this Laxiflora can really grow. Number 4, regarding water. Laxiflora is really not sensitive to the water range you are putting to your plant. So, whenever kalimutan nyo i-water yung plants nyo for even a month, or nasobrahan nyo yung pag-put, hindi siya ganun ka-sensitive, hindi siya mamamatay, hindi siya ganun magda-dry agad. So, number 5, with regards to sunlight, Laxiflora can really easily adapt to whatever amount of sunlight you give them. So, for example, you put them in just a bright shaded area, then it can adapt to that sunlight, and then it can grow, it can bloom. Ever, if you also put them in a direct sunlight, it can grow. It can vary with color, but it can also grow beautiful. What I told you guys is regarding my experience. Kahit ganun yung sinabi ko na yung Laxiflora natin, it can grow with really low maintenance. It's better to also grow them with the best care you can give them. Most important tool for growing your succulents, especially for the beginners and for the busy persons, is to research. Everything is on the internet now. You can know what's the best medium, the amount of sunlight you can give them, the amount of water or the water range you can give them, or the best way to take care of them. So till next time, bye-bye!